Welcome back, creatives! Have you ever wondered how ordinary seats can give you chills? Today, we're diving deep into the world of creeper seats. Imagine a seat that not only supports your weight but also sends shivers down your spine. Join me as we explore the eerie art of AI video making, where creativity meets the uncanny. From spine-tingling stories to spine-tingling visuals, we'll bring these unsettling seats to life right before your eyes. So, make sure you stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this wild ride into the realm of the unexpected. Number 5. VEVOR Rolling Creeper Garage/Shop Seat is the perfect addition to any workspace. Designed with a heavy-duty tubular steel frame, this mechanic stool boasts an impressive 250 pounds capacity while remaining sturdy and reliable over years of use. Its 360 degrees universal casters allow for smooth maneuverability across various surfaces, making it easy to reach every corner of your garage or workshop. Say goodbye to discomfort with the wide, padded seat made from waterproof and oil-proof PU material. You can effortlessly clean it with just a wipe. The clever tool tray storage underneath keeps your essentials organized and within reach, featuring 3 partitions to help classify your tools and parts. This rolling workshop stool, with a height of 14.2 inches, is ideal for vehicle repairs or other low-level projects. Lightweight and versatile, you can use it in garages, roadsides, or homes. Upgrade your workspace experience with the VEVOR Creeper Seat and enjoy the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and efficiency. Number 4. SGCB Automotive Mobile Rolling Mechanic Stool, the ultimate solution for anyone in need of a reliable and comfortable creeper seat. Engineered with an advanced material construction, this stool is designed with a reinforced steel frame and a high-quality PE seat surface, ensuring durability with a staggering load capacity of 330 pounds. Its ergonomic design features a soft rubber cushion that provides unrivaled comfort, allowing you to work efficiently without straining your back or knees. Experience enhanced mobility with the generous wheelbase and 4 360-degree swivel casters, making it easy to navigate in any direction. Plus, with the ability to lock 2 casters, you'll enjoy a stable, quiet workspace. This stool is not just practical but functional too, boasting ample storage with large trays and pull-out drawers to keep all your tools organized. Whether you're in the garage, workshop, or even cleaning up, it's the perfect multipurpose companion. Grab your SGCB mechanic stool today and work smarter, not harder. Number 3. Torin ATRHL6201B Heavy-Duty Rolling Pneumatic Creeper Garage/Shop Seat is your ultimate companion for comfort and efficiency while working on your vehicles. Designed with a soft, fully padded vinyl seat, this adjustable mechanic stool ensures hours of comfortable use, whether you're tinkering with your car, truck, SUV, or van. The thoughtful inclusion of a large, segmented tool tray means that your essential tools are always within arm's reach, significantly easing your workflow. Made from heavy-duty steel, this sturdy design supports up to 250 pounds, making it ideal for diverse users. Plus, height adjustments are a breeze. Just press a lever to raise or lower the seat by 5 inches. With its innovative features, the Torin ATRHL6201B is perfect for those seeking a reliable and comfortable creeper seat for their garage or shop. This product is suitable for all creeper seats enthusiasts looking to enhance their workspace experience. Number 2. Imato 40-inch Folding Creeper Rolling Seat, a marvel for all automotive enthusiasts. This versatile, all-in-one adjustable roller garage chair quickly converts into a creeper seat with a simple locking pin mechanism, making transition smooth and effortless. Crafted from a heavy-duty steel frame, its robust construction ensures durability, while the non-marring polyurethane swivel caster wheels provide excellent mobility, allowing you to glide seamlessly around or under your vehicle. With an impressive weight capacity of 330 pounds, this creeper is stable and sturdy, ensuring your safety during those intricate maintenance tasks. Enjoy the comfort of thick padded cushions that facilitate easy access and movement, whether you're performing auto repairs, detailing, or brake jobs. The Yamato 40-inch folding creeper rolling seat is the ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable, comfortable, and efficient solution in their garage. Number 1. ProLift TC9100 Black 40-inch Foldable Z Creeper, a must-have for any garage or workshop. Engineered for ultimate convenience, this creeper transforms in seconds without the need for tools, making it ideal for quick transitions between jobs. It boasts a sturdy 40-inch steel frame and a spacious padded seat measuring 14 inches by 12¼ inches, providing both comfort and support during long hours of work. With an impressive weight capacity of 450 pounds, the ProLift TC9100 ensures it can handle heavy tasks with ease. Its 6.3-inch polyurethane oil-resistant casters allow for smooth and effortless movement, giving you the freedom to shift positions quickly. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this creeper seat is your go-to tool for efficiency and comfort. Investing in the ProLift TC9100 means you're choosing reliability and versatility for all your under-vehicle needs. In conclusion, creeper seats offer a unique blend of comfort and style that's sure to enhance any space. Whether you're looking to add a quirky touch to your home or seeking a fun seating option for gatherings, these seats are a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Your support helps us create more amazing content. See you in the next video.